Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin dropped to $76,756 and Ethereum fell to $2,114 today as geopolitical tensions and Treasury yields rattled crypto markets, while the Clarity Act advanced through committee and XRP gained major institutional momentum in Asia. Bitcoin fell below $77,000 after President Trump issued a stark warning to Iran, triggering broad risk-off sentiment across markets. Traders lost $563 million in forced liquidations over the past 24 hours, with Ethereum accounting for $244 million and Bitcoin for $160 million. The 30-year Treasury yield hit 5.13%, its highest close since 2007, making non-yielding assets like crypto less attractive. XRP is emerging as a major institutional story. Italy's Intesa Sanpaolo, managing approximately $1.1 trillion in assets, disclosed an $18 million position in XRP through the Grayscale XRP Trust as of March 31st. Meanwhile, Japan and South Korea are driving massive retail adoption of XRP. Fiona Murray, Ripple's APAC vice president, attributes this to decades of negative interest rates that pushed retail investors away from traditional savings. SBI Group plans to launch Bitcoin and XRP ETFs for the Tokyo Stock Exchange, targeting $32 billion in assets within 3 years. The Senate Banking Committee advanced the Clarity Act with a 15-9 bipartisan vote on May 16th. Galaxy Digital now estimates a 75% probability the bill becomes law in 2026, with a potential signing by President Trump during the week of August 3rd if negotiations stay on track. Bitcoin Depot filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy on May 18th, shutting down its entire network of over 9,000 Bitcoin ATMs across North America. CEO Alex Holmes cited increasingly stringent state regulations and transaction limits as the primary drivers. The company's revenue collapsed 49% year-over-year in the first quarter, swinging from a $12.2 million profit to a $9.5 million loss. The Verus-Ethereum bridge lost $11 million in an exploit. Attackers stole 103.6 TBTC, 1,625 Ether, and 147,000 USDC by exploiting a validation gap in the bridge's smart contract. This marks another major cross-chain infrastructure attack. Iran launched Hormuz Safe, a Bitcoin-powered maritime insurance platform for vessels moving through the Persian Gulf and Strait of Hormuz. Iranian media claims the platform could generate over $10 billion annually, though significant compliance risks remain. Hyperliquid's Hype token rallied 7% as Trade.xyz launched the first pre-IPO perpetual futures contract for SpaceX on the platform. Bitwise's Hype ETF recorded $4.31 million in debut day volume on May 15th, the highest among all 2026 altcoin ETF launches. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.